Before you decide to buy JotForm for your landing page needs, there are 12 important things you need to know that could impact your decision, especially when compared to other landing page software. Let's get into it. First thing to note is the ease of use. JotForm has a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface, making it easy to create forms, landing pages, and more without technical skills. But compared to competitors like Unbounce, some users find that while JotForm is simple, it lacks some of the advanced customization options that can make your page stand out in a crowded market. Next thing is pricing. JotForm offers a free plan, but it comes with limitations like a small number of forms and submissions. If you're serious about your landing page needs, you'll likely have to opt for one of their paid plans. They're fairly affordable, but if you compare this to platforms like Leadpages, you might find that Leadpages pricing is more suited for higher traffic sites with more advanced features. The third thing is templates. JotForm has a wide variety of templates to choose from, which can help you get started quickly. However, compared to a platform like InstaPage, which focuses solely on landing pages and has more industry-specific templates, JotForm can feel a bit generic. The fourth thing to consider is integration. JotForm integrates with a number of tools, including email marketing services and CRMs, which makes it versatile. However, it doesn't always offer the same depth of integration as more specialized tools like ClickFunnels, which might be a deal breaker for advanced marketers. The fifth thing is mobile optimization. JotForm's landing pages are mobile responsive, so they look good on any device. That said, there are other platforms like OptimizePress that allow for deeper customization of mobile versions, which can be crucial for businesses that target mobile traffic. Next, let's talk about speed. JotForm does a good job of ensuring pages load fast, which is important for conversion rates. But if you compare it to a dedicated landing page platform like Unbounce, you might find that loading speeds are slightly slower due to the additional features and flexibility offered by specialized services. The seventh thing is A/B testing. JotForm offers basic A/B testing for landing pages, which is great for those getting started. But platforms like Leadpages offer more advanced split testing and analytics, giving you deeper insights into how different versions of your page are performing. The eighth thing is customer support. JotForm has a solid support system with live chat, email support, and an extensive knowledge base. But some users report slower response times compared to the 24/7 support offered by competitors like Wix or Shopify, which can be frustrating if you're running a live campaign. The ninth thing is the learning curve. While JotForm is easier than more advanced platforms like ClickFunnels, there's still a bit of a learning curve, especially when you start to explore the more advanced features. If you're looking for something simpler, you might consider a more beginner-friendly option like MailChimp's Landing Page Builder. Next up is analytics. JotForm has some reporting tools, but if you compare it to the robust analytics provided by platforms like InstaPage, JotForm may not give you the deep insights you need to optimize your campaigns to the fullest. The 11th thing is security. JotForm offers solid security features like SSL encryption, which is standard for landing pages. However, compared to other platforms like ClickFunnels, you might find that JotForm lacks some of the more advanced security protocols needed for high-risk transactions or sensitive data. Finally, let's talk about the overall user experience. JotForm excels at providing a broad range of tools for businesses of all sizes, but if you need highly specific, detailed customization for landing pages, you might find it limiting compared to a platform like Unbounce. So, is JotForm a good option? Yes, it's user-friendly, affordable, and a great choice for businesses that need a simple solution. However, if you're looking for a more powerful, specialized option with more features, try out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.